let me write the summary so that in writing it should be clear. So what happens in geodesic slope calculation is first transformation of coordinates. Second is that we fit a surface. Third is that the surface fit is minimized by least square fitting. We perform least square fitting on that surface. So there are 3 steps which happens, and then you compute the tangent, you compute the angle, you compute the tangent, basically you compute the of the topographic surface at point. What is the point? That point T, X, Y, and Z. Then you find your slope as the angle of normal of the tangent of the topographic surface with respect to the tangent at ellipsoid, which is represented here. So if I draw that, and with the help of that you find the beta, okay, and this beta is the angle of slope.